We will guide you through how to save text in Photoshop without background. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and load the project containing the text you want to save without a background. Once the project is open, go to the Layers panel and locate the text layer you want to keep in the exported image. Select the text layer and make sure it is the correct one before continuing. Next, find the background layer in the Layers panel and hide it so the original background is no longer visible. Check the canvas and make sure only the text remains visible, with the surrounding area showing transparency instead of the background. Then review the position of the text and make sure it is placed correctly on the canvas, especially if the text needs to be used in another design later. Carefully inspect the edges of the text and look for any unwanted background pixels, colors, or small areas that may still appear around the letters. If you notice anything that should not be included, adjust the layers before exporting. When the text looks correct and the background is completely transparent, open the File menu at the top of Photoshop and select Save a Copy to create a separate copy of the text image. In the File Format options, choose PNG because this format can preserve the transparent area around the text. Enter a clear and suitable name for the text image so it is easy to identify later. Once the location and file name are correct, click Save to begin exporting the image. After the export is complete, go to the location where you saved the image and open the new PNG file. Check the saved image carefully and make sure the text remains visible while the surrounding background stays completely transparent, confirming that the text was exported correctly without the original background.